She keep rolling. You want this one? Let's play also. Ooh. Keep rolling. Hulog ka na agad. Sige, ikot-ikot pa. Ayan, lapit na mahulog. Tami time mo na. Hulog ka bata ka ba? Mahulog ka ka dyan ba? You will drop there. Oh my God, ikot-ikot na siya. Ikot-ikot na siya. Sige, ikot-ikot pa. Ikot-ikot. Ikot-ikot. Ikot-ikot lang. Sarah Geronimo. Ikot-ikot lang. Ikot-ikot. Ikot-ikot lang. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Come on, keep going. Keep going. What? Mommy took a video. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Come on. You will drop there soon. Oh my God. My goodness. My goodness. Come on. Come on. Look at that. Come on. Keep rolling. Come on. Hello, keep rolling. You are so beautiful. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Minasage ko siya. Tikot na ng anak ko, guys. Careful. You're almost fall down. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Almost fall down. Look at that. Almost fall down. Almost fall down. Well, look at that baby na yan. Careful, careful. Careful. Lagi na lang to siyang tumatayo ng ganito. Come on, lift up. Ang kulit-kulit mo na. Come on. Are you okay na? Okay ka na? Ha? Full tummy? Oh my goodness, Lela. Wala na akong nagawa, Lela. Nagdidi na. Akala ko natulog ka. Are you happy? Look at that. Look at that. So pretty. Alive. So pretty. Are you happy? Mommy video, are you happy? Look at that. So pretty. Look at that. Oh, okay. Mommy turn. I need to finish to cover the pillow. Hello, darling. Yeah. Baliktad siya, guys. Come on now. Crawl. Come on. Tagilid na lang siya ng tagilid, guys. Nakikinig na ba? Chiki, chiki, chiki. Come on, baby. She's trying to... Ayun na. Alay. Hindi. Sige, come on. Come on, baby. Try and try. Come on. Mas nauna pa yung nakakaupo siya, guys. Kaysa yung ganyan siya. Nakakadapa. Nakakaupo naman na siya, guys. Tapos nakakadapa na. Pero yung ano talaga. Yung kanyang sarili lang talaga niya. Ayan. Baliktad siya, guys. Kasi ikot ng ikot siya. Let's go, bebe. Kaya mo yan. Go, go, go. Come on, bebe. Keep going. Come on. Tired? Keep going. Come on. Keep going. Try. Come on, bebe. Hindi ko pa ito naayos, guys. Yung, yan. Sa labas yan. Diyan sa labas sa sala. Come on, baby. Keep going. Come on. Naano na yung hitsura mo dyan, Ikot siya ng ikot, guys. Pinapatulog ko, eh. Pero nakakaupo na siya. Mainit yung panahon, guys. Kaya... Ito lang, ganyan ko siya ng suot. Para fresh. Layla! Taas na yung paa. Na? Good girl. May ikot-ikot na siya. Go, go, baby. Layla! You okay? This is your first time in your walker. Lala. How are you feeling, baby? Feeling alright? Huh? Is that your first time in walker? Your first time, right? Happy? Happy? You are still learning. No. Hello, baby. What? You watching? You sleeping? So yun guys, si Layla, she is playing. Nasanay ko na siya panglaro nito guys. So mag 5 months si Layla. So yan, she's playing. Ito yung mga development niya. Gumugulong na. Naglalaro na siya ng mga ganito. So binibigyan ko siya ng mga kulay, ng mga ganitong laruan para matuto siya kung anong kulay to. So may blue, may green, orange. Ayan. So may ikot-ikot na siya guys. Galing-galing naman ang baby na yan. Ikot na siya. You happy? She's playing. What color? This one. That's blue color, right? That's blue. Yeah, that's blue color. Blue. That's blue color. Okay, keep going. Layla! Layla! She's playing, guys. What? Where are you going? Come here. So there's Hello Kitty. there is green color. So blue. There's blue color. What? Later this one. Oh, Q. So Q this one. Yeah. So blue. There's blue. Purple. You keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. You got yellow. That's yellow, baby. Yellow. Layla. What is that? Layla. Layla. You okay? Keep rolling. You got yellow, green, purple. Oh, okay. Maybe tired now because you are sleepy. Yummy, purple. No, yum, 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 yum. Yummy. Oh, yeah. You like it? Oh, oh, so I think that's enough. I knew it. That's enough. If you do like that, that's enough. Lila's favorite first time. Alay, that's too big. Alay. Swallow it. Swallow this one.
I'll call you back.
Yeah, sure.
You're busy.
Okay, you will call me back. So you're coming home after? Alay, look at. Oh, where? Here? Here. More. Okay, I knew it. You are done. Naubos na niya, guys, yung dalawang hiwa, guys, na parang french fries, ang slice. So, ito na lang yung natira niya, guys. So, first time ko yan siyang pinakain ng kanyang avocado, guys. So, hindi ko na siya minash. Very good, baby. Very good. I knew it. Basta pag ganyan na yan siya, guys. Yan siya. Ibig sabihin, full na yan or ayaw na niya. Ow! So, yan siya. Pag ganyan na yan siya umiiyak, it means ayaw na niya. Ala, nabait na. Atay! Alay! Yummy! Nabait na niya. Like niya. First time ni Layla. You like more? Aloy. Ati. Good girl. Sinanay ko na yan siya, guys. Kahit wala pa siyang ngipin. Ayay! Alay! You like it? Yummy. Yan, sanay na siyang kumain. So, snack niya to. Ang time is, yan, 4 p.m. na. So, pinadidi ko yan siya, guys. And then, yan, pinakain ko. So, kaya ng morning, yung kanyang breakfast is yung nasa bottle. And then, mango. Yeah, I know. You like it. Yeah. So, first time niya yan, guys. And ito, so mayroon pang natira. So, bukas ng umaga, ibigay ko to sa kanya. So, i-fridge ko lang. So, yan. Para sa kanya yan, guys. Ayan, nakain na. So, hindi na siya nag-chuchok. Yummy. Very good. You like it? Sa bagay, ito siya, malambot siya na prutas. Ay, alay! Hindi siya nag-choking. You like it? Mwah! I thought you don't want anymore. So, before, nag-iyak siya. So, I thought ayaw na niya. So, minsan kasi, pag ganyan siya, ibig sabihin, guys, grumpy siya kasi ayaw na niya or full. You like it? You don't know how to eat. Even you don't have teeth yet. Oh, careful. Careful. Don't worry. Mommy will give some formula. Mommy milk. Okay? So, ayaw niya ng formula, guys. Until now. Kahit nilalagay ko siya sa kanyang bottle or yung water bottle, mga ganito. So, last night, binigyan ko siya. Kaso, guys, ayaw niya, guys. Yun na lang. Hinahalo ko na lang siya, guys, sa yung parang Cerelac, paminsan-minsan. You like it? Marunong na rin siyang magsip-sip. Napaka-advance nitong bata na to, buyag. 5 buwan pa lang mahigit. So, ayan. Ito yung BL. Baby Lid Winning. BLW. BLW. Baby Lid Winning. So, nabasa ko kasi, guys, sa isang sa Google. So, nabasa ko kasi, guys, sa Google. So, nag-check ako. Ayan. Paunti-unti lang daw, wag i-sabay-sabay. So, pag marami na yan siyang teeth, ayan, mga sandwich, toast. Very good. You like it? Oh. Yummy. Mura nagkorek, oh. Katigo na magkuni-kuni sa yung pagkaon. Alay. Katigo na siya maghawak-hawak. Oh my God. Wala ka pa 6 na buwan. You like? Katigo ka na mag-sip-sip-sip-sip. Careful. Okay. Okay. Yummy. Chus. Galing-galing na talaga magsip-sip. Yum. Did you drink water? Oh. Ngayon ko lang yan siya binibigyan ng tubig, guys. Na malapit na siyang mag 6 months. Ay, yummy. Marunong na manguha. Okay.